You've been living this life for way too long. Let's be real, bro. I know you must have asked yourself this question already. Why is it that women don't like you? Right? You see it around you, right? You see certain guys around you, it's easy for them, or it seems like anybody can get a girl. But bro, you're not alone, man. A new article came out, I think like a week ago, showing that we are at a point in history where there are more single men than ever before. You're not alone in this. Everyone's going through the same thing. And it's really because women find you unattractive. You're not desirable anymore. It has become increasingly difficult as a man to become attractive towards women. One, as women education level increases, their bar increases for what they desire or what they want in a man. Remember, even if they're high earners as a woman, even if they're really smart, they'll still want a man that's smarter and a higher earner than her. That's still ingrained in them, even as their education level increases, which is why a lot of you are dropping off. And then you magnify social media onto this, where all they're seeing is the top 1% of guys flexing the McLarens, Lamborghinis, and the best penthouses, the best mansions. So they think that's the standard. They think dudes like that is what's normal, and that's why everybody else is getting left in the dust, which is why I tell you, you focus on yourself first. Do not focus on women. Focus on building the best, absolute best version of yourself. And when you do that, then you start learning how to deal with women. For example, one of the biggest mistakes you make is you're giving her all your attention. What am I telling? I'm telling you to shift away your attention. What you're doing is you're doing everything for her. You're giving her all the favors. You're giving her all the gifts. You're giving her all your time. You know what she sees? She sees a simp that has nothing better to do with his life, that she'll only go to you when she seeks that validation. In your head, you should be so focused on your own stuff, the gym, your business, school, athletics. You should be so zeroed in that you giving any sort of attention away from your purpose should be considered high value in your head. It should feel almost like you're literally pulling out $500 from your bank account to give to somebody, right? Your time has a monetary value to it. It's ticking. And if you're choosing to invest that by giving away free attention, you will lose 100% of the time. But if you shift your focus and it's 100% towards your purpose, I promise you, any little bit of time you trinkle into any girl, she will deem as valuable and actually wanted because she sees you on your purpose. Number two, you see life too emotional, man. And not only emotional, you see the worst in everything, right? Oh man, it's raining out today. I can't go out. Elon became the richest man in the world. That's not fair. The server was treated me bad today. My day's bad. Like, you will complain about anything, right? My soda's flat. My coffee, my barista screwed it up. Like, you will complain about everything. You sound like a girl. You need to move like a winner. Think about it this way. She's already going to be that complainer, right? She's going to bring all your problems to you. She's always going to be complaining, yada, yada. She doesn't want another girlfriend, right? She doesn't want another girlfriend to gossip with, another girlfriend to see life equally as emotional with. I don't care how she could be the strongest feminist in the world. She will still want a masculine man. A man that can remain logical. A man that can remain unmoved. A man that doesn't see life as emotional, but it's problem solution, right? You have a situation in front of you, how do you fix it? Which this exactly takes me to number three. You don't care about yourself. Too many of you aren't taking accountability, again, problem solution, and you look at the problem in front of you. Yo, I don't have a girlfriend. Yo, no girl seems to get interested in me. Yo, I can't retain a girl. And you don't stop and think, man, could it be something that I could fix? Business is all about problem solution. Life is the same way. Friendships are the same way, right? Look at what the problem in front of you is, fix it, right? So if you're noticing, man, I'm not attractive to girls, I guarantee you, if I were to come in and fix you up, I could probably spend hours giving you advice on what to fix. So if you can look at yourself in the mirror and not come up with something and say, man, that needs improvement, you don't have accountability. Look in the mirror. I guarantee you're probably fat. I guarantee you're probably skinny. I guarantee you don't dress right. I guarantee you don't put effort in the morning. I guarantee your grooming's not on point. I can guarantee it. If you cannot attract women, I promise you're not putting effort in your appearance. And a lot of times, it doesn't take a lot of effort, man. It doesn't take a lot of effort. And this is why I love style, bro. You wear the right pieces, you feel good, man. And you don't have to redo your entire wardrobe. Like, start small. Start with accessories. This is why I love my watches, my sunglasses. These are simple pieces you can add to any fit. So whatever you're wearing in your wardrobe right now, you start wearing a pair of sunglasses like that, you've increased your attractiveness. You've made your face more symmetrical. You hide imperfections and you look more stylish. That's just what one accessory can do. Imagine that magnified throughout your outfits, bro. I'm telling you, if you want to get started, check out my brand. We have a brand called Jade Black. We design the best glasses you'll ever find. We use Italian handmade acetate, some of the best materials in the world. And the great part is, you're not gonna break the bank, right? I try to make them affordable for that very reason. I want you to look as good as possible. And right now, I'm gonna have an offer for you. Like I said, in April, around April 20th, we're dropping a new collection. Everything new. We're almost sold out of everything. If you go to the site, almost everything's gone at this point, I'll be honest. Things sell out quick. But if you want to pick up some frames, I'm going to give you a limited time discount. There's going to be a link down below. If you pick up 5 frames, I'm going to leave them at, that's crazy, 60% off. 60% off just today, limited quantity. Again, I mean, first come, first serve, whatever's left, you guys can take. But next month, our new frames are dropping because I want to make sure you guys look as good as possible. And that stuff, bro, that stuff is crazy. If you guys want to check it out, click the link down below. Number 4 is that you're texting like a girl, bro. Again, women do not want to be matched with feminine energy. Do not let the whole bullcrap of female gaze. They're lying to you, bro. They are lying to you. Don't let a girl tell you what she thinks she likes. They don't know what they like, bro. That's like asking a fish how to fish. That's dumb, right? You ask the fisherman how to fish. That whole female gaze bullcrap, BS. Women do not want you to be texting all emotional with a bunch of emojis, these long drafted paragraphs to her where you're showing all that effort. She doesn't want you. Bro, the fact that you get upset when she doesn't text you back or call you back, that's too emotional. She already sees you are too emotionally attached. That's what's causing her to become unattracted to you. Number 5, you are poor and lack ambition. This is a bad one, bro. You cannot be both. Look, you can't control being poor, or especially being born poor. Nobody can control that. But you can control your ambition. You cannot be both a poor individual with a zero ambition in life. That is the most detrimental combination because 1, you'll never do anything in your life, and 2, no woman will ever be attracted to you. I don't care what you do on the surface. You could dress right. You could do everything right. And I'll tell you this, you can even be charismatic enough to trick her into your bedroom one night, 1 month. You'll never retain a girl. No girl, once she analyzes your life and sees, yo, this guy has no ambition. Once she sees across all that fluff, you'll never get a girl that actually finds you desirable, attractive, that she's obsessed over you. It won't happen. Not on the long term. If you're poor right now, you should be full of ambition. You should be full of goals that you want to achieve to give her something exhilarating to follow, which ultimately rolls me to number 6, you smell of desperation. When you reach this point of your life that you're watching this video because you can't get a girl to be attracted to you, people can tell. People can tell, they'll see your watch history, they just how you move, the way you talk, it's almost dweeb-like because you don't have that experience. And I've told you time and time again, there's this dweeb on TikTok that I was seeing that he was like talking about like, he has a McLaren, he's skinny, I'll put him here. And he was like, yo, if I pull up in my McLaren, I guarantee I'll take your bitch. Bro, he won't take anybody's because at the end of the day, it does not matter how much money you have. It doesn't matter even how jacked you are. Those things are great. Right? But if you have no charisma, if you cannot talk, if you still look like a dweeb, it will not matter. That's why I'm saying, everything that I talked about in this video, this is all great. You still have to be charismatic. You still have to go out there and do the legwork. So if you're still a dweeb, you don't know how to talk to a girl, you still reek of desperation, you need to go out and start doing day pickup. Every single day, it's practice for you. Think about it like playing a sport, right? 1 a day, your goal is to just go out, talk to a random girl. 1 a day. I promise you after a month or 2 months of doing this, that fear, that desperation is going to start going away and you'll be amazed at just how many connections you'll make. You never know, bro. After 2 months, that's 60 connections. I guarantee you 1 or 2 of those are going to go through. Now you have a number. You might even pull out a date out of that. You need to put in that practice.